Okay, it's time for today's CSS battle. Let's see what we've got. Okay. Hmm. There's some odd sizing going on here. So how tall is that box? For that 100. For that 140. That's 60 high. This is 40 high. Okay. Wide. So if we use the nested template, set this background to this color. Temporarily set that to white. And we'll target the top left, I think. Should just have that top square. Yeah. Actually want that to be 20 shorter than that. So bring that up to there. Then box shadow, inset. set this instead of that to be color. Got far more. Okay, that was me trying to use Vim shortcuts, which don't work. Go 0 across, 20 pixels down. That should get us that first square. Go 20 across and 0. No. 120 and 20. 60 and 40. No, 60 and 60. 60 and 80. 120 and 80. Does that mean 120 and 80? No. 120 and 40. 120, 80, green. And 20, 40, 220. Okay. That's clearly 180. 80. Okay. And 80 pixels and 100 pixels. Not 1,100 pixels. And 180 and 40 pixels on the screen. 180 and 180 pixels. 180 and 200 pixels. 240, 80. No, 140. 240, 160. 300. 60. 200. Then 300. That will certainly get them all, but that's a lot of box shadows. Minify and unit replace. Definitely one way of doing it. Probably not the cleanest. So how about, how does that? this background to that color. Shadow 9-inch, 9-inch. Okay. Probably actually just do lining in that color. We'll temporarily play none of this so that we can see what we're doing. Of shadow outline solid. There we go. Just get this box in place. So 220 is better. Get rid of the display none. We give this a margin of 20 from the top and 0 from the sides. Why isn't that the right height? 0 there. Okay, and then if we should give us 2 boxes that we need, I think. Box shadow this. What did I say this box was? 80 by 80? No, it's 60 by 60. So do 60 pixels, 60 pixels. Color. Probably can't do it this way because yeah, okay. Let's instead grab that, put that here. With this the background of the grey. We'll actually have one element as well. This height of 40. Give a background of green. Give it margins of 0. Yeah, that'll be fine. That'll be fine. The color on this this white. The box shadow inset line in. Get rid of the background red. We also go 60 pixels, 60 pixels. Uh, 120 pixels, 20 pixels. 20 pixels, 20 pixels. 80 pixels, 100 pixels, no, 80 pixels. Pixels, 140, 160 pixels, probably. It's looking good. That's got to go at the bottom of that. So 140 and 240. $300. Right, that gets us all of them but the two greens. Get rid of this brown green. Rid of the box shadow. Set the color to this green. And want to go 120. 80. Other one is going to be 180. Should be slightly fewer box shadows. And if I unit replace, yeah, that's quite a bit shorter. Probably do it as a series of conic gradients and stuff, but nah, I'm going to leave it there for now. I might look at this one again later because it's quite interesting. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.